Mix white cement with epoxy resin and discover a hidden millionaire business. It's easier than you think. White cement provides a bright, clean base, while epoxy resin adds a stunning glass-like finish that screams luxury. This mixture is water-resistant and incredibly hard, making it perfect for durable countertops, tables, and art. You can customize every piece with pigments or stones to create high-end marble effects and unique luxury designs. Start your luxury home decor business today and turn simple materials into a goldmine. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some of the most profitable products you can start selling right now. First up, luxury countertops and tabletops. These are high-ticket items perfect for kitchens, offices, or even custom coffee tables. Next, we have decorative tiles and panels. They're a game changer for walls, bathrooms, and creating stunning feature floors. Art pieces and sculptures are always in demand. Think Instagram-friendly items like custom coasters, planters, or unique abstract art. And don't overlook DIY kits. You can sell the entire experience to crafters who want to try their hand at these projects. Which of these are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Here is why this could be a millionaire idea. It starts with low material costs and incredibly high resale value. White cement and epoxy resin are affordable, but finished products can sell for 10 to 50 times the cost. High demand is fueling this growth. Luxury home decor and resin art are trending worldwide. From artistic pieces to high-end furniture, the market is massive. The best part? It's completely scalable. You can start small with items like these coasters. Then, move to full furniture, large wall panels, or even unique outdoor features. Are you ready to turn these materials into your next big business?